Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So basically today I'm coming to you with a uh an eyebrow slash eyeshadow tutorial because I had to just basically repurpose this video because I was shooting it for a different purpose. But yeah, so it was also meant to review the NYX Can't Stop re-review the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, but yeah, it was just way too long, so I just had to chop it down. And so today is basically I want you to focus on the eye makeup look and a bit of the brow, because I do, as you see, I do show you how I do my brows, and it's a bit more detailed in a way. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk through the whole video. I'm gonna take breaks in between, but I'm going to go ahead and narrate me doing my eyeshadow look. So for now, let's just enjoy the music and do comment, like, and subscribe. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. How have you tried the USHAS Cosmetics palette? If you did, definitely do share how you've experienced it. Do you like it? Do you not? What don't you like about it? What do you like about it? And it's definitely one of the most affordable palettes that's out there. It's under 200 rand, and I mean, as you can see, the packaging is very sturdy. It looks nice. The colors are really pigmented, and they have a wide range of other products as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it here, and I'll come back when I'm narrating my eye makeup look.
Paving this shit crank.
Okay, so I just went back into clean out my brows and going in with the USHAS Cosmetics All Eyes on Me palette. I went for Baked as a transition color. So basically the key is just to blend. Eyeshadow is not really that difficult. Yeah, even if you can just go for a bronzer, you start out with a bronzer and just, just outline your lid and try to blend as much as you can, especially if you have or you're gonna wear lashes. Like, it's just, eyeshadow is just one of the most simplest thing. I think it was the second thing that I learned with makeup. I first learned how to do my brows, and then I learned how to do eyeshadow. And I used to apply eyeshadow with the earbud that you see me using there. Even with my makeup journey, I started out outlining my brows using an Essence foundation that I bought at clearance at Clicks, and use it to outline. I'd use the earbud to outline my brows and also apply my eyeshadow. So yeah. And then I went back in with Obsessed to kind of clean out Baked, because Baked was slightly darker than Obsessed. So I just went back in just to basically blend and create kind of a nice transition gradient with the eyeshadow look. And then I went in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation to kind of cut out my halo center. So the eye makeup that I went for is a halo. So I used this foundation to cut out the center of the lid. It's like a middle cut crease, if you may say. So I used that to kind of put it down, and to get a bit more, way more color payoff with this eyeshadow look. You can try use a lighter eyeshadow base or your light concealer, just to get a bit more color payoff but I didn't really mind because I was not going anywhere and was kind of in a hurry. And then I went with Fancy as my center lid color, and I used the Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Fix makeup setting spray to kind of like just to enhance this shimmery shade, Fancy. This palette does have like really nice, easy to wear shimmer colors, and I think it's just an all-purpose palette. You can use it for like a simple day look or a glammed out smoky eye. It has literally all the colors that you may need, and yeah, it's more of a basic. If you have it, then you can really, it's really multi-use. I love this palette. So I just went back in just to define the center of the eye and make sure that the color is just in all the right places. And then just to kind of like smoke out the look and clean up, I went back in with Baked to kind of like redefine the eyeshadow. And then I think here I was smoking out this look. I think I went in with Phoenix and Baked. And I did kind of like, I was a little excited here, so I misplaced the eyeshadow. But because the eyeshadow is very forgiving and it's very blendable, and not really applying too much at a time helped, because you can go back and clean up. So it's better to apply, like gradually add, than putting a lot at a go. It's probably going to overwhelm you, and yeah, it's just better to add a little at a time so that you can easily just correct if you make a mistake. I was not happy here, and I was like, I ruined my makeup look. But I did go back with my bronzer. This is the LA Girl Pro finishing powder in warm caramel. See how easy that blended out? So that's what I love about makeup. It's a bit forgiving, really. I'm not exactly an expert when it comes to makeup, but yeah, it's just like Patrick says, makeup is a one size fits all. There's so many methods for you to achieve what you want. I really don't judge on how people's methods on applying makeup. I can't say mine is better than anyone else's. What I love doing is just taking tips and tricks from other people and really kind of like doing or adjusting it to how or what's comfortable for me. So I just went back this time with the LA Girl setting spray just all over my face, and then went back in with Fancy to redefine the center of my lid. And then here I basically cleaned up. The makeup look is done. I think what was left here was just to apply some eyeshadow on the bottom of my eye, and I used the same colors on top to kind of like redefine or define the bottom lid colors of the eye. And then here I was contouring my nose just to give it some shape. I could say like overall my makeup style is just very simple, wearable. I don't mind sheer coverage, foundation, like skin-like finish. I really don't mind that at all. But lately I've been really enjoying your full coverage makeup. But yeah, I like my makeup very simple, and I still do have a lot to learn, honestly. I'm always looking forward to like upgrading my skills. I've come a long way, especially with foundation. I think I still struggle a little bit with foundation, especially applying full coverage foundation. So that's probably why I'm just comfortable with like your sheer coverage foundation. But I do love like sheer coverage foundation. But I want to kind of like improve my my full coverage makeup application, just to kind of like really even out my skin. So that's basically what I'm learning in terms of my makeup journey. Oh my god, I did not. Like I was not really finishing with refixing, so I went back in and to fix my face again. So what I like about this makeup fixing spray is that it's just a setting spray. It's not a glowy spray. It's not a mattifying. It just gives you a natural skin finish. Yeah, so I went back in and just to put in some color at the bottom of my lid, just to kind of like enhance that area and give out that smoky effect with the eyeshadow look. And I went in with my mascara. This is the what is this, Wet n Wild mascara in Skinny. It works okay. Hey, I don't have any complaints with this mascara. And then I went back in with my jet black LA Girl eyeliner, just to outline my brows, just to line my my lids. Like, I think eyeliner is one of those that I've always, it's a staple in my makeup. I really never not put on eyeliner when I wear makeup look. It's either I do a bold eyeliner look or keep it simple, because I feel like it really helps to hide your eyelash band when you apply your lashes. So if I'm wearing eyelashes, I most probably have eyeliner on, but other than that, I always do have eyeliner on when I do my makeup, even if it's an everyday makeup look. Eyeliner just add that thing. I just always love wearing eyeliner. I went back in with my earbud or cotton tip. Like, this is a very handy accessory for me when I'm doing my makeup. I'm never without it. And yeah, and then these are my lashes. Lashes, I currently really have a problem with my eyelash glue choices. The Alio one is too, like, it's just too weak. It's not as strong. And then this one I bought from China Mall. I think it's a dupe of the Ideal eyelash glue, but I'm not really that confident recommending for people to try because it's from China Mall. I don't know how or what's in it, and honestly, I'm kind of like uncomfortable using it, but I'm yet to get another one. So for now, I guess it will do. So they basically, yeah, it took me some time to get used to applying lashes, but with practice and with time, you're always gonna get it. So the key is to always like look down when you're applying your eyeshadow. So here I was just basically done. You see how like everything's tied in and my makeup looks neat and nice. So yeah, and then I went in with an Essence highlighter. This was my first time trying it out, and I do like it. It's also reasonably priced. It was like on clearance for $50 or less. So yeah, then I went back in to fix my face, and yeah, you see how glowy that is. And another tip with applying highlighters that you can always either put it like, it's just stick. I feel like it applies better when you just on wet skin. So fixing your face first and then applying it, or fixing either like with how I did. I applied and fixed and applied again just to enhance the thingy. And it's very like, it's not chunky, it's very light, and I love that kind of highlighters because it's not too chunky. It's just glides on and it looks like skin. It doesn't look like you have anything. It just look like a natural glow. And I went back in to fix my wig. This wig, for some reason, like, it was not applying well. And I don't think I made this wig properly, honestly, because whenever I apply it, I struggle to kind of like center it on my head. So I'll probably be redoing it in the future. And yes, girl, fluff that hair. Fluff out that hair. Like, yes, girl. I'm really happy. I really love this unit. Yeah, it's one of my favorites. I feel like Shaka Khan. I feel like, yes, all woman, baby. I feel really good in this wig when I wear it. And I went in. So red is kind of like one of those colors that I'm not really comfortable. I did end up switching up the lip color later on. I don't know what I was trying to say here, but yeah, I got this lip liner from Dis-chem, Universal, whatever. I can't really see the name of the brand, so yeah. So I went in and outlined my lips with this red lip pencil. So I did end up switching it out, but for the purpose of the video, I just stuck to, I think I lost footage of me changing the lip colors. So yeah, but looking at it from this perspective, or when I'm editing this video, it's really not bad. Like, I don't know why I'm not comfortable with wearing red so much, but yeah, look at it now. Honestly, it looks okay, and I'll probably do it rocking in the future. So at this instance, I was kind of like uncomfortable and had to remove it, but I didn't even share the pictures that I took with the red lip because I was a bit, yeah. Then I used the Avon lip color. I forgot the name of the lip color right now, so I'll leave it in the description box along with all the products that I used in this video. And I apologize for my voice. Hey, my speech is not really clear because I have braces on, so that doesn't make it an easy. And on the one day that I wanted to do this voiceover, there are a bunch of kids playing outside, so apologies if you can hear them. See, that's not bad at all. Like, that's not bad at all. I actually like it. And once more, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, do subscribe.